And what is the profitability as
thutha wa waniriri wa hathara mwaka thutha wa uria ungi ni kambuni ya ukui wa ndege ya Kenya Airways mutugo ndoguthiraga watira umuthi kambuni ino ikianirira wongerereku wa hathara yayo na makiria shilingi bilioni 1.1.
Our losses net has reduced. It's if you compare 12 months to 9 months, yes, they have increased. But this is a unique year in which we are presenting, due to legal constraints, 9 to 12 months.
Mwaka wa 2015 kambuni ino yathire hathara ya bilioni 25.7. Mwaka wa 2016 ikigia na hathara ya shilingi bilioni 26.2. Mwaka wa 2017 kambuni ino igithia hathara ya shilingi bilioni 3.4. Naguo mwaka uyo yanirira hathara ya shilingi bilioni 7.5.
We see more seats occupied, we see more pricing improvements, but also over the last months we started really having a more serious commercial conversation with Delta, and there was no possibility of having this before we started operating.
Undu uyu ukiterere kambuni ino ikoretwo ikiendekithia kuyorugamiriri wa kiharo kia ndege kia JKIA undu rio thiete na mbere gutungio uregani munene kuma kuri honge itiganite undu mwe na aruti a wira kiharo-ini giki makiria kumana na hathara ngiruku hari o mwaka.
We want to grow, so we want to choose the best option which will allow us to grow. That's all I would like to say at this point, because I don't want to jeopardize anything, and because we don't know what the outcome of the parliamentary subcommittee is and what their findings will be, I don't want to jeopardize them either.
Ona kuri uguo utonga wa kambuni ino niwongererekete kuma shilingi bilioni 80.7 mwaka wa 2017 nginyagia shilingi bilioni 118.4 mwaka-ini wa 2018.
What is KQ's strategy?
Handu-ini ha metha ya Onjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.